Hi, this is Marcia. I hope everybody's having a great day, and I'm going to demonstrate how to make a fabric junk journal from start to finish, cover and the pages. And I'm going to present a challenge to the community here and for my fellow crafters and sewers, whatever types of crafting that you do. And I'm going to invite the Facebook group Junk Journal Junction to take part in this as well. So today I wanted to show you what I've been working on already for the challenge. So the challenge starts today. If you're interested in taking on this challenge with me, and maybe you've already made a complete fabric junk journal, I don't know. If you have and you want to jump in and join the fun, that's great. The rules will be listed in the description box below, but basically here's a quick rundown of what the rules are. So subscribe to my channel and join our Facebook group, Junk Journal Junction, and the links will be in the description below as well. And the cover and the pages have to be fabric. The embellishments can be fabric and paper. So if you watched my video the other day when we made this cute little double pocket out of a junk mail envelope, then this is allowable in the project. But the pages and the cover have to be completely fabric. So that means you cannot put the cardboard in between the fabric cover. Everything has to be fabric. So what I'm doing, which I wanted to share with you so that it gives you an idea of how easy this can be done. This is a snippet roll I'm making. And my journal is going to be a green theme, so I just wanted to start getting I'm trying to get things going here. So I'm giving us a month, so that we have 4 weeks. So from July 18th to August 18th, 2020, we have to complete this journal. So that's gonna be a push for me. So if I'm finding that, you know, things are coming into my life, or unexpected things, or any emergencies that we don't anticipate, then I will stretch it and give us more time. So I might go to 6 weeks instead of 4 weeks. So comment below in the comments if you know, yes, I can absolutely get one done in 4 weeks, great. Or if you say, please give us 6 weeks or even 8 weeks, that'd be fine too. Just let me know. So whatever you think would work good for you, because I really lose track of time when I sit down and I start making a journal, and it's been a while, years, since I've made one from start to finish in fabric. So paper is much quick and easier, I know that. Fabric is going to be a little bit of a challenge, especially for those of us who haven't done one or haven't done one in a long time. So this is my cover, the start of it. So I had already had these made before. So the middle section, this is sandwiched together, so the middle section is felt, and the back cover, woohoo, is going to be, I've already had this done. So this is like doing a snippet roll. So this is like a giant wide snippet roll, and this measures folded 8.5 by 8 inches, thereabouts. And then, you know, I'll put all the pretty embellishments on it. And then this was the second one I was doing. So this, I'm going to actually be making 2, so I'm going to be gifting one or putting it in my Etsy shop. I'm not really sure. So we'll just see how that goes. And if you want to purchase one when you see it completed, then there will be 2, so I'll have one available that you can purchase. So now, this inside part, what I'm going to be doing with the snippet roll, which I thought this was a pretty cool way to go about this, is I'm going to, which now that I'm looking at this, so I'm going to have to trim this, which is the beauty of these big snippet rolls. You can trim them down, as you well know if you make snippet rolls. Okay, so then that snippet roll is going to have to be cut down to fit this here. So this strip was 16, yeah, so in half would make it 8, then when it's folded in half. Okay, So this is how I'm going to go about this. And then I have others, and what I did, which was a cool idea, was just took an old sheet. My mother had given me sheets she'd had for 40 years or something, in a container, you know, all nice and clean and tidy. And the elastic had dry rotted, so they weren't and nobody, like I said, she wasn't even using them. So these were from when we were practically children. Anyway, so I'm going to have this will be one layer, and then this will kind of overlap a little bit and be one layer, and then I'll have this thinner layer. So I'm thinking that the two wider layers will go top and bottom, and then I'll come back with a thinner layer here in the middle, because this is 4 inches, this one was 3 inches, so I might do like 2.5 inch, and then come down the middle here, and then we'll come back and embellish and labor. So this will be a daily video process, and you will be watching me through the series with this challenge as I'm putting mine together. So now, to take part in the challenge, you comment below that you're in on the challenge, you want to take part, you do an introductory video saying that you're taking part in Markets of Sunshine Fabric Junk Journal Challenge, and we're going to do a video hop. So from channel to channel. So everyone who enters, we subscribe to each other's channel. So everybody will be commenting below that they're entering, so then you know you'll go to their channel and enter. Now, if you don't have a channel, that's great. You can still enter and have fun with us and take part. That's perfectly wonderful. I would love for everyone and anyone to take part in it as well. Just to, you know, have more the merrier. And then we will do an end video and show the final finished product with a flip through. And so the first video, everybody comments on that video, everybody likes each other's video, everybody subscribes to each other's channel. And then the finished product, everybody will do the same thing. We will go and like their video and comment on the video, and then share it to wherever you want to share it, social media, whatever. But so that's the requirements to join in the challenge, and join the Facebook group, Junk Journal Junction, and subscribe to the channel, to each of the participants' channels that have channels, and then you know, just have fun with this, because this is going to be a lot of fun. I just thought this was going to be a great idea, and a lot of us newer channels that are trying to get going, I thought this would be a great way to get some fun on our channels and get people joining in and seeing what's happening, so then every day they'll be able to hop from channel to channel to channel as we're showing updates and the progress as we're going along. So if you think that's a great idea and you'd like to join in, then just comment below, subscribe to my channel, head on over to the Facebook group, which all that information will be in the description box below, and then some cute little things that I've been working on for this journal, because it's all a green theme, if I didn't say that already, if you hadn't figured it out already. So some cute little yo-yos. So I made these the other day, and I don't know if you've ever made your own little cute little yo-yos. So I'm trying to, everything in this will be my own handmade embellishments. So just like this, you know, I mean, it's all put together, but this piece is my own embellishment. Okay, so you take this cute little yo-yo maker. It's by Clover, and it comes in a set of 3. You can buy them individually, but the set of 3 was a better deal. And then I recommend go to Joann's or Michael's and use the coupon. And so this is the 30mm size. So let me show you quick and easy how quick and easy it is to make these. So I already have this fabric, I have that fabric. Okay, let's see. That one I don't know, because I don't have very much of that one left. Alright, did we do this? Okay, alright, we didn't do this one. So let's do this one. Alright. Take a seat here. Okay. So you take the fabric and put the right side down and the back of it. So let me get a piece here that's already. Okay, so like that. You leave about a 1/4 inch allowance. Now there's these little knobs around, there's 3 of them. And then there's lines on here, you see that? So you just line this up with one of the little knobs. And you'll hear it click in, and you can tell it's sandwiching in place properly. If you don't line those 2 up, you don't hear the little click, and it doesn't line up properly. So could you hear that little click? Okay. So I wanted to leave a 1/4 inch, so that's not enough there, which is what always happens. So you have to go a little bit further than you think because it pulls it in, and then you just can go back and trim off. Okay. Now we're going to just come around here. And it takes me about 10 minutes to do this. So grab a cup of coffee and a tea, sit back and relax. Write down Clover Yo-Yo Maker and start making your own cute little yo-yos, because the time I show you how to do this, you're going to love it. And it'll save you a bunch of money so you don't have to buy them from somebody else when it's something that you can quick and easily make yourself. And if you have a fabric stash, then it's just a no-brainer that you want to do this. Okay, so we take our needle and thread. And you turn it away from you, and you start with the first little notch, and you go to the left of it. So the 1/4 inch, you just fold that fabric down, eye it with your needle from here. Okay, and then you just go in, and you're going to just all the way around. And I finally figured out that I'm probably going to have to either talk my son-in-law into editing my videos for me, or paying somebody on Fiverr. I don't know, because I keep trying. I'm going to go back to Adobe, but not Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark messes up my computer. It freezes it up, so I'm not going to go with them. So I'm just hoping that their other Adobe editing software doesn't do the same thing. If I can find a Microsoft Windows editing, something that I can trust, it's not going to mess up my computer. First time I did edit a video, I think it was with Adobe Spark, and everything went fine. So if you go way, way back, you will find a video that I was able to actually, do some fun little things with. Put in the little pages, that have the words on it, all that kind of stuff. But until I can get that figured out, I'm just going to have to bear with me here. And I'm just going to be using my iPhone. I'm not investing in any expensive camera equipment. So, not at this point. If I ever get to thousands and thousands of subscribers, then I might do it. But not now. Okay, so now you want to go back around until you get to where you started, which is where? And where is the little knot? Okay, he's down in there hiding. So, oh, I already passed him. Okay. Well, let's see. I think I went past him. I've never done that before, so let's see. Let's see how that works. So you take them apart, wiggle it a little apart, put it back together so you don't lose it, and then you just start pulling that thread, the one that has the needle, and just keep your thumb in the middle. This is how I do it, and I find it works the easiest for me. And then I just start pulling the gathers away from the thread. And then I get it about 3/4 of the way around. And then what you do is you come in here and you find the tail end piece. So we'll see if it works, since I went past it one more than I was supposed to. Okay, yes, it still works. Okay, So when you pull the tail, it brings in the other end. So now you just start wiggling it with your finger, pulling the little pleats, laying them down the way you want, making it look like the little yo-yo, like it's supposed to in a cute little circle, just like that. See how quick and easy that was? So your back is nice and flat, and then you just take the two ends and you tie it twice in a knot. And then you cut off the excess, and that's it. You've made your little adorable yo-yos. And then all you have to do is put a button in the middle, cute little flower embellishment, whatever it is you want to put there. And just cut it off down close, and you're all done. See? That quick and easy. I love my little yo-yo makers. And I do have, I don't believe it's probably, yes, Clover brand as well. Their flower maker, and there's a butterfly maker and a heart. I've not done the butterfly or the heart, but I did the flower. So you could cut out the petals yourself, but when you use the little templates, I'll show you in another video how to do that. And those are just beautiful. Let me just grab one of these flowers and show you real quick, which I will be doing one in green for the front of the cover. So isn't this cute? So what I did here, there's lace, there's organza or netting tulle, and then a cute little fabric, so you can mix your different types of fabric in here. So I have used organza, even though this is the tulle. And then I took a yo-yo and attached it to the yo-yo, and then I put the little pin backing. Isn't that cute? So it's all ready to go, and they just look so cute. You can come in here and put a button in the middle if you wanted to, but I like them like this, all fluffy. Isn't that adorable? So pretty. I love making these. I've made these for friends. And you can use them on a tote bag, on a hat, journal cover, lapel pins, just adorable. I even made a curtain back tie with these, which mine is on my curtain right now, so I won't take it down to show you. So again, it comes in 3 sizes, so I made the large flower, and I put the vintage button in the middle, and then I just put the yo-yo on the back, put a large yo-yo, and then I made my fabric ties, and I used muslin fabric, so I just sewed it, did a very long piece, sewed it straight across here, so then you've got the 2 ends, and then it's a curtain tie back. It's just, that's really pretty. I love that one. I love it. And it's all in greens too. Yeah, it's pretty. So anyway, thank you very much. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. We're at 110 subscribers. Yay! Thank you so much. And head on over to the Facebook group if you want to join in the challenge, or if you just want to join the group. And thank you so much. And I'll be making a cute little tassel. This is one of my fabric and lace tassels that I've made for some of my junk journal books. And I'll be making one in green for this junk journal. Both of those will be in green. So anyway, have a great super duper evening, and I'll be sharing all kinds of fun things with you along the way of what I'm doing that's going to go into these journals, and what I'm adding, and some new things that I'm working with that I've always wanted to do. So I'm just really excited about it. So I'm going to show and share those with you. So have a great evening, and thanks again for being here with me, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.